What to do in case of an earthquake. Before the earthquake, make sure you fasten shelves and cupboards safely and securely on walls. Prepare an emergency kit for your family and prepare an escape plan for your family. Good job. Here. Call 911! Allison, you don't have to call 911 yet. You just have to try to stay safe. Oh, oops. During an earthquake, you need to duck under a piece of furniture or under a doorway.
You also need to make sure that you hold on to a piece of furniture that you're under.
And last, make sure you keep your head and eyes protected from falling objects by covering your hands and arms over them. And make sure you stay away from tall buildings and tall trees. In case you're outside.
After the earthquake, you need to check for damage, injuries, gas lines, and sewer lines, and be prepared for aftershocks.
Bye everyone, and thanks for watching.
Hey Dad, come here. There's an earthquake special on TV. Don't complain. You might actually learn something new.
Prepared or unprepared are you? Have you removed objects from over the bed and over your head? Anchored your possessions securely to the wall. It won't be a pain, and you're not doing it in vain. Are your emergency kits packed? What about your family, your friends? Do they know what to do, how to get in touch, and where to meet? Do you know how to drop, cover, and hold on, covering your head and neck? What if you're outside? Or in a car? After the shaking stops, look around. Figure out what to do. Stay away from damaged areas. Turn on a radio. Reach out for help. And if you're trapped, do not move about. Stay calm. Only shout as a last resort. Once everything and everyone is safe, get prepared. An aftershock could be on its way. So before the earth shakes, the ground moves, and things start to fall, get prepared. Make a plan. Practice what you know, because an earthquake can happen anytime, anywhere. You never know. America's Prepare-a-thon. Be smart. Take part. Prepare.
I saw a special earlier about an earthquake in Nepal that caused an avalanche on Mount Everest. Maybe we should learn how to be prepared for an earthquake. After seeing that video, I think you're right. How do we get started? I'll find a list of what to put in an emergency kit. Let's see. Flashlight and AM radio with batteries. Check. High energy snacks. Check. Prescription medicine, eyeglasses. Check. Bottled water. Check. Large bags. Check. Name and phone number of contact person. Check. Quarters for phone calls. Check. ID. Check. Street maps. Check. Fire extinguisher. Check. Thermal foil blanket. Check. Small first aid kit. Check. Notepad, pencil, book, cards. Check. Personal hygiene products. Check. Walking shoes. Check. Comfortable clothes. Check. Everything is bolted to the walls and secure. Let's draw a plan and write steps on the back of the plan for what to do after an earthquake. Good idea. One, take a head count and administer first aid. 2, check gas lines for leaks and turn off power. Do not touch power lines. Number 3, open cupboards carefully. 4, be prepared for aftershocks. I think we're ready. Me too. Me 3. Now that we're prepared for an earthquake, we can help other friends and family be too.